Good evening, foolish mortals and ghosts and goblins.
I don't think that's what he says.
Isn't that what Tyler says?
I think he just says, welcome, foolish mortals.
Shit, they're never going to let us out again alone.
Oh, man. We're never going to get another Tammy and Trevor special again.
Dang it.
Well,
we're out at Black Orchard in Shelbyville for their Christmas event called, what is it called?
Black Christmas or Black Xmas.
Or it's Black Xmas, I believe.
Yeah.
And they have 45,000 lights and Lord knows what else going on inside.
And those lights are beautiful. Don't get too distracted because there are definitely things popping out of those lights to come after y'all. Mm-hmm.
So let's get in and get some scares, as Tyler would say.
All right, let's do it.
All we're doing is going to look at beautiful lights, right?
That's right. We're just going to go see some pretty lights. I heard they have 45,000, I believe.
No one is going to chase us and try to kill us.
No, definitely not tonight. It's Christmas.
That wouldn't be the crow. What was that?
Probably a reindeer.
Reindeer. My sock is coming off in my shoe.
Oh, no. That's not a good enough start to looking at Christmas.
No, it's not. I'm kind of scared.
No, maybe not. See, they're playing the Trans-Siberian Orchestra. Nothing bad ever happens when that's on.
No, nothing bad ever happens when we come to Black Orchard.
Yeah, exactly.
What the hell y'all doing on my property?
It's Cousin Ed.
Who sent you? I'm Cousin Jeb. Have you seen that, Cousin Eddie?
No.
You haven't?
Not lately.
Well, you see, I've been taking care of these fine facilities here for Cousin Eddie, and you know, he said the shitter was full. Do you know how to use this thing?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
You look like you do.
I think you just suck on it.
What? Well, somebody told me I put it back here, but I don't think that's right.
Oh, no.
Yeah, well, okay, I got one thing for you, though. You see, there's been a lot of weird stuff going on. A lot of these weird lights just showed up everywhere.
45,000 of them.
Yeah, you see that shack down there?
Yes.
There's been some weird stuff going on. You see?
It looks like...
I'm telling y'all, I'm not seeing this stuff. Are y'all seeing this? Look at that. What is that?
Hello.
You see, if you do me a favor, if you find out what's in that shack, will you tell my mama?
Sure.
To get it the hell out of here? Get on get then. Go find out what that is.
Okay.
Good grief.
Mama?
See, nothing bad so far.
Nothing, no.
Yeah.
The shit's full, though.
Yeah, the shit's full. What is that?
Oh, is that gonna move?
No!
Did you put all this up?
No.
Did you?
Nope.
How ugly it looks. Look, even that. Look up. It's
Aw,
ugly.
look at him.
It's ugly.
No.
Say it with me. Say it's ugly.
It's not ugly, it's adorable.
Yes, it's ugly.
It's ugly.
Good job. No. Look, Santa gave you a gift, but I didn't like it, so here.
It's a cat.
Come on.
Aw.
All right, come on, let's go.
Oh, nice. Okay. Did you guys hear that? She said, I'll do.
Arms up. Like you're about to dance. Come now.
Oh! Watch your eye! It'll take your eye out!
For real.
You'll shoot your... It'll take your eye out.
And take your eye out. That's rough. No eye covering his shit.
Ooh! Hey!
Uh-oh.
What are we doing? This way? Something's about to happen.
Oh, no. This feels safe. No!
Which way do I go?
Wretched thing! You tried to take this from me.
I did not.
I saw.
You're lying. Nope, didn't do it.
You shan't gaslight me, witch. I know the smell out of your pocket. Otherwise, why him afterwards.
What did I do?
Why did you present
I
again?
didn't try to take that, not me.
Tried to take this from me. Oh, you
No.
knocked it off with your big feet.
I may have done that. But not on purpose. And that's no. Oh, what?
No!
Oh God.
Okay, so we're in the barn.
It's just Christmas. Christmas in the meat place.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi,
What?
I'm wrapping presents for my family. You all are the presents, but see, I've already gave the ones up front. The ones ahead of you away. So, who's wanting to be the present tonight?
Me.
You? Do you have any paper or pretty bow?
A pretty bow.
Whoa.
A bow.
Pretty bow.
Aww. Oh my gosh.
Mama Black is only nice here at
That's
Christmas.
right. I mean, it's glittery.
I hate Christmas, but you know, the kids expect me to give them presents. So why not put pretty bows on them? Kids are such pains in the butt.
Your lips to God's ears, my sister.
I've dealt with them for years. Sometimes I get tired of them and think I just slaughter them up.
What is she doing back there?
Yeah, she's a pretty gift. Now do you want to see where you're going to hang one up process to your body?
Sure.
Have bows too.
Yeah.
I'm going to hang it between Bertha and Adriana. That's Bertha.
Bertha.
That's Adriana.
What? Yeah.
Uh-oh. You done stole one of my kids' presents.
No, they gave it to me.
Nope, they gave it.
She's gonna get you.
Oh, no.
I
they
think
gave
you stole it.
No, they gave it to me.
I think you stole their gift.
I think they gave it to me.
I don't believe you. I think I need to hang you with Michael, George, and Fred.
I think
You
it was-
stole my kid's present.
I think you need a bigger hook for me.
Oh, honey, by the time I chop you up, you're going to be so small, nobody's going to recognize you.
You talked me into it when you said I was going to be small. I'm ready.
You ready for
I'm
that?
ready.
You're just gonna be little chunks.
Shit, he'll be pretty trunks, though.
Yeah,
Pretty ones.
exactly. Better
I get
chunky.
your liver. I like liver and onions.
I call kidney.
Oh.
Oh, we're going to have a damn meal together. We're going to eat together.
No.
So, she's wrapped for the family, so I'll save her for last.
Me for last.
Yeah, I'll kill you last.
You don't kill me.
Yes, I do. That's why I put a bow on you.
We are effed.
That's why I put a bow on you.
Okay.
Go meet the family.
I'm ready. Good thing I brought it here. Steal? We borrowed.
Oh no. Oh,
Whoa.
stop.
Whoa. Oh, look, they dressed him up for Christmas.
He's got a bow on his nose.
Whoa. Where else can you get to see a goat like that?
Only a black orchard.
Only a Black Orchard. Black Orchard special, y'all. Whoa. Hello. Oh, no. We're just gonna keep going. We have this cool gift, though.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Ow. Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
You sound like my mom when she's sleeping.
Oh, man.
Trevor's heard me sleep before. It's bad. Oh, Jesus, Lord above. Oh, he's in a cage.
Merry Christmas!
Yes.
Why don't you go on this way?
Okay.
Oh, you're pretty. You look. Oh, look at your bow.
Isn't it beautiful?
You could be a beautiful elf, all bloody and pretty.
Oh, no.
And now chicken heads, the little kids. Oh, look at you. You're small enough to be one too.
Me?
Your ears, put you on a reindeer. Oh, don't get me started about those reindeer that help on the roof.
Hey, come on. Question. Come on. Come on. I got questions. Come on. I got questions.
Questions.
Come on.
There's two more of us.
On to the tour, people. license. I had to put you on the naughty list. Okay. You should know this, and you should know this. What is the greatest Christmas movie of all time?
Elf.
No!
Krampus!
No! No!
Oh, Die Hard.
Yes!
Yeah!
Thank you! It is a Christmas movie. I got all the license plates. Come here.
Right.
Come on. Don't touch anything except for what I tell you.
Okay.
Don't touch that.
Don't touch
I got the
this?
license. No! You'll lose your soul.
Or that?
I got the license plate, the limo, I got the cop cars. Oh wait, the wrong state, but I can fix that later. You just don't worry about the tap shoes. I had to eat the feet out of them. So, yeah, I was hungry. It was my snack. Okay, you know about snacks, right?
I get that.
Snacky snack.
I know Krampus personally.
I mean, personally, I go to Buc-ee's when I want a snack, but
Yes.
yeah, I get it.
Oh no, this looks real shitty.
Uh-oh. Somebody's had a little bit too much eggnog.
That's not a real person, is it?
No.
Oh, it is! Oh, it is a real person! Get out of the way! And she almost took my nose off! Get over on the wall! No!
Tinsel.
Oh, I like tinsel. Are you happy about tinsel?
I love
That shit is everywhere! It's nasty! But here.
You down in her head?
Yeah. There we go.
Oh, this one.
If we cut it in half,
we're not. No,
We
that's
can't-
not important.
we can't cut him in half.
That's not. Are you guys? That was intense. Unfortunately, I think Tammy ran away. I can't find her anywhere. I don't know where to go. So, fortunately for me, that means I get to go back through and try to find her and maybe take another look at those lights. So I will catch you guys later. Stay scary.